The Supreme Court has dismissed an appeal by the Senate President, Dr. Bukola Saraki, challenging the validity of his trial on charges of assets declaration preferred against him at the Code of Conduct Tribunal, the CCT. In the lead judgment taken by Justice Walter Samuel, the court held that the Code of Conduct Tribunal was properly constituted to exercise jurisdiction over Dr. Saraki's trial, contrary to the Senate President's contention. The Apex Court also held that the tribunal was, by the provisions of its enabling laws and the Constitution, conferred with criminal jurisdiction and thus could validly issue bench warrant. According to the Supreme Court, the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 was applicable to the proceedings of the tribunal. It went on to dismiss the allegations of Dr. Saraki that he was not properly served with the charges, and also held that the charges filed before the CCT, before the appointment of the Attorney General of the Federation, were indeed valid.
There's no doubt the judgment has interpreted so many parts of the Constitution, and controversy surrounding some of the provisions of the Constitution by this judgment have been laid to rest. And there's no doubt about that. This is a final court of our land. Whatever this court says is the final.
Is your client ready to submit himself for trial?
Well, it's a law-abiding personality.
The Supreme Court has demonstrated today that the law is the king and not persons. So it shows that the Supreme Courts are dependable, reliable, and can be trusted. Because for a decision to come like this against the number 3 man in the country, it shows that Nigeria should keep on trusting and believing in our judiciary. So the law is demonstrated to be the king and not persons. Everyone no one is above the law, and everyone must obey the law. That is the message today. For the judgment to them, and for them to give us further date. Yes.